October 2022. And we have
You can press.
Henrikintie, Henriksvängen, 5 stycken speed. Here in Pitäjänmäki, Sukkenbacka. In Helsinki, Helsingfors, modernized Finland. This elevator, this one actually has 6 floors.
Yeah.
It was built in 1977, but here it was built by ValmetSchlieren originally, actually. So this number is VS 4874. So apparently A and B were ValmetSchlieren originally.
Yeah.
So C to F are Koni originally. Turning 45 years old this year in 2022. Rise in 2000 by Otis with those 2000 fixtures. Number 20 is old in 2020. The new version number is B1SY8779. It will be inspected in 2024. Now, of course, this is not the best kind of modernization.
Yeah.
Because they could have preserved the original interior and still instead put the folding in the doors on this.
Yeah.
Maybe green and digital indicators instead. I can press that. Or did you press the file?
Yes.
Okay, it's green here.
Yeah. Diskutiert Beiliftinstituten, maintained by Spahis.
Even in 1977, ValmetSchlieren could sometimes have delivery problems.
Yeah.
We have seen this from 1971, where I have the ValmetSchlieren and MB8 in the same.
Yeah.
It was, I think, in Matti Laakso.
Yeah.
Yeah. For example. So that's it. Thank you for watching.
That's